Hello friends and my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about how to write multiple objects for a class. For that we have to write #include iostream and we are using namespace std. Namespace std used for standard functions whichever available in C++ that can be accessed. And we are written class name, and class contain two data member. One is id, another one is name. It contains two member function, one member function with a two parameter list and one without parameter list. So in this function we are using the two parameter, one is I and another one is n. These two parameters we are using because when we values are sent from the main function, those values can be assigned to id and name. In this way we can initialize the value from inside the method or member functions. So one more member functions we are written, just we are printing id and name whichever we have assigned in insert functions. Now and the class is terminated by semicolon. Now we'll go to main functions, int main. Then inside the main functions we are written student. Student is the class name, s1 is the object created for the class. So you can notice here we are creating one more object, student s2. So in our example, as we discussed, we can create multiple objects for the same class. So here we are creating two objects, s1 and s2. So first we are using s1 dot insert and id. The first attribute is of integer, we are passing integer value. Second is of string, we are returning within double quotation Sachin and 20. So in next again we are calling with the object s2. Same thing we are passed the id and we have passed the name. Both will assign id and name for the object s1. So here I am using s2 dot display. Notice that first I am printing s2, then I am printing s1 dot display. Afterwards, because we are written int, we should return something, return 0 and close of class. So we will save our program and we will run it. Now we got the output. As we are displayed s2 first, 202 is id and Rahul is the name, and then we are written s1 dot display 20 and Sachin. So anywhere once we display is written, called function and information will be printed first. As we are calling s2 and s1, information is printed. So in this way we can create the multiple object, and using the multiple object we can access the data member of the class. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube by typing Adarsh Shetty.